What if you could plan your next trip in minutes with a custom itinerary that fits your interests? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to AI Expert Reviews. Today, we're diving into 𝗀𝐻𝐼𝐻, the AI-powered app that's about to transform the way you travel. With 𝗀𝐻𝐼𝐻, just tell the app your destination, travel dates, and how much time you want to spend, and the app gives you a curated list of must-see spots, complete with pictures and ratings. Now you can decide what you like to explore based on what appeals to you most. The AI even suggests unique places you won't find in typical guides, making your trip feel more like a local experience. The app creates a daily itinerary, giving you a summary of each day's activities, including the best times to visit attractions, along with hand-picked restaurant and cafe recommendations. Whether you're into culture, adventure, or food, 𝗀𝐻𝐼𝐻 customizes everything for you. With simple pricing, just one token for each plan, 𝗀𝐻𝐼𝐻 is almost cost-free and super easy to use. For example, heading to Costa Rica, it might suggest an unforgettable rafting trip on the 𝗀𝐻𝐻𝐵 River. Everything you need is right in the app. Buy tickets, view website details, and get contact info. Want directions to that rafting spot? Just tap the app for a map and directions that take you straight there. No more wasting time hunting down details. And the best part? You can save your plans offline, so even if you don't have service, your itinerary is always accessible. So why spend hours planning when 𝗀𝐻𝐼𝐻 can do it for you? Ready to roam with AI? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools right here on AI Expert Reviews.